You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Hey! So you finally did it. You finally showed who you are. Witch. So you finally killed my own grandchild. Out of your witchcraft. You did.
How can you say a thing like that? It is my child we're talking about here.
Shut up! Shut up. Look at you. So this is who you are. You have proven yourself right as a witch. Because if you are not, you would have opened your mouth to utter a word. You are talking. Eh? How did you do it? Tell me. How did you kill my child?
I did not kill my child.
You did? Amosu Olimwa. Olimwa. Amosu Olimwa. Amosu Olimwa. Tell me how you did it. Tell me how you did it. Oh, tell me how you did it. What that? Onyinye, get me plastic plates. Come with 1 million. Let me fetch water. This cup. Onyinye, get me plastic bowl. I was asking you to get me plastic bowl.
Mama, Vincent just called. He said your number is not reachable.
What did he say?
He said he will be back by next week.
That's okay. I can't get it.
Mama,
is this how you come on? Pull down your dress. Remember, you didn't pack when I can.
Mama, hey! You needed to have seen what happened in church today. Mommy released marital prophecies to the single.
I hope you claimed for us.
No, I claimed for myself. Obviously, you did not need prayers.
Mama, can you imagine? 1 hour! 1 hour!
Before uncle, if you had needed prayers, you would have gone on time. What are you doing at home? I beg you not to go to church.
At least I answered call and I passed the message.
Go down and go for me.
So you claim money for yourself.
Please get me a plastic bowl because. Hey.
Mommy gave me a prophecy. About what? About Millicent. What about her? She asked me to bring her to the church, that she has a message for her.
Message for her?
Why? What are you waiting for? Take her now. Take her to the church. Maybe she has actually seen the evil we've been saying in her too. Abi? That means I will take her there by next week. Vincent will also be coming by next week. That's fine. Please, let me go and get something for myself. Or Iyke.
Make sure you cook. What my family, right? You went there to insult my family. On top of it, you're cursing my family. You are a useless girl. You are a witch. Hey! I was even thinking you were a good girl. I never knew you were pretending. Idiot. Useless. I will tell my mother, in fact. Let's get to the house. You will see what will happen to you. I am talking to you. Answer me. I said I am talking to you. Answer me. Wicked girl. You have a dark heart. God will punish you. God will destroy you for causing my family. For causing us pain. So you want to cause us. You want us to be useless now. It is you! All your causes have returned back to you. Back to Zena!
Millicent, you cost my family. You cost my family. Ezoku. Now let me tell you something. There is nothing, absolutely nothing, that this your stupid curse will do to me or to my family. Again, let me tell you. You see this, my daughters? They will all get married and have their children.
Amen.
Much more children. More than you have ever wished to have in your life.
Amen.
Wicked witch. And our born away.
Who are you to curse us? Who are you? Are you God? Who is your father? Onyeki Ibu. Hey? Anyways, I don't have much time to talk to you. But one thing I always want you to have it at the back of your mind is that who is it that said a thing and it cometh to pass when the Lord God Almighty has not commanded it? Nobody. Nobody. So you do not have any right to curse us.
Vincent, now that you want to leave, make sure you take her with you. Because I don't want to stay with her any longer in this village. I don't want to have her anywhere close to me or close to my children.
Go.
She just lost her child.
Who cares? Like I care. She lost what? How can she have children when everything that is in her is full of curses?
Millicent. Millicent! So you cursed my family, right? You cursed my family. Very well then. Stand up, pack your things, let's leave. I said pack your things and move.
Get inside, my friend. Can't believe we frock all day. Nonsense. Why will you not miscarriage? Tell me why you will not miscarry because of your wicked heart. Your heart is so desperately wicked. Came to cost my family. Ezuruonye, who are you?
Who are you?
Millicent, I'm asking you, who are you?
Who is your father self?
Leave my house. Nonsense. Take her with you.
Someone that does not even have a name himself. It's coming to curse us.
Millicent. Millicent! How dare you? How dare you place a curse on my family? I'm talking to you, Millicent. You are wicked. Evil. Look at you. Witch! I don't even know what to call you. Get out!
I was very bitter. They hurt me. They hurt me so much. Even with my pregnancy, I went to the farm. I cooked. I did all the chores. They never allowed me go to the hospital. No checkup. No antenatal. Nothing. And because of all that, I lost my child. Our child, Vincent. Our child. And even when I lost my child, they had the guts to accuse me of killing my child. How wicked can they be? They didn't even mind that I was pregnant. They made me do all the hard chores. How can they be that wicked? I lost my child.
Baby.
They killed my child.
I'm so sorry. Please. I'm so sorry I didn't know all these things happened. We'll make another baby. I promise. Okay? We'll make another baby. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. Please.
They killed my child.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please go inside. Okay? Come. Come. I'm sorry.
Oh, Vincent, pick now. Pick. Oh! Hi. Come here. Ah. Oh. Hey. Finally. Hello?
Why are you disturbing him? Can't you understand when a man doesn't need you anymore? Leave Vincent alone. If I just because of you and go to my village, which is a highway, you regret the day you said yes to Vincent.
What's wrong? Did you come with any relation, like your husband or any family? Nobody. What is wrong?
It's labor. I'm very happy with it. So sorry.
Hi.
Sorry. Take it easy.
Ow!
Hey. Please go there and prepare for the theater. Be fast. Go. I will take care of her. Go. Sorry. Take it easy. You'll be fine. You say your husband is not here? Ha.
Careful. Sorry. Miss Okenwa, I have to be honest with you. From what I saw at the scan, there's no way you can give birth normal. A CS has to be conducted. And your husband or any of your relatives needs to be here to sign the document.
Doctor, unless you want to take me and my child to the mortuary, just allow me to sign, because there is nobody to sign for me. Please, let me sign. Let me sign the form myself.
Madam, things are not done that way. Anyone in your condition will sign any document given to them. So you have to call someone.
Doctor, do you want me to die? Unless you want me to die, Because even if we stay from now till eternity, nobody is coming here to sign for me. Especially my husband. My husband will not come. So let me sign. Ngwa, if you want. Ah! Sorry. If you want to bring the form, let me sign it. Let me sign, make a video. Let me, at least people will see that I gave my consent. This pain is too much. Ah.
Okay, no problem. Nurse, take her to the theater. I will join you guys soon.
Okay.
Get the theater set, Lucy.
Ah!
Careful, careful, careful. Lucy, yes, I need you to make a list of what Miss Okenwa will be needing while she is recovering. Meanwhile, she will give you her house address. Go to her place, get her baby things and her personal things. I wonder why some men are very useless beyond prayers. Yes, my team. Do you still remember the pin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Get the things quickly. Okay? Oh. Yes, come in. Nurse Lucy, so you are still around?
Yes, doctor. Good evening.
Evening. I thought you might have gone home.
Not while we have a patient we both are responsible for.
Oh, that's true. Thank you very much. I could not have gone through this alone without your support.
It's 10 days today, and the husband remained unreached. May God have mercy.
Oh yes. I will have to discharge her tomorrow. She will be strong enough to go. But meanwhile, I would have Nurse Oge go with her for a few more days.
That is wonderful. I was just coming out from their ward. They were both sleeping. Doctor, she is so worn out and sad, even in her sleep.
May God have mercy on them.
Very sorry. Doctor,
Yeah.
I just said let me come and see you and know how you're doing.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm fine.
Okay, I'm going now.
Alright,
Okay,
have a
bye.
lovely evening.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam, it's okay. You really don't have to say much. You know you are still healing. Just make sure you take care of yourself and your son. And don't forget to bring him back in 3 days for circumcision. Just take care of yourself and your son.
Doctor, may God put smiles on your face. Just the way you helped a helpless woman, may you never lack help in every aspect of your life. Thank you.
Meanwhile, I will make sure Nurse Oge goes with you for a few more days till you fully recover and make sure you can cope. Okay?
Thank you. This one is too much, oh. It's too much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Nothing is too much for our golden baby. Something bad would have befell us that would have taken away my license and my hospital. If not for the destiny of this child that saved us. So we have to treat him with absolute care. I'll be in my office till you are ready to go. Just let me know when you are ready to leave, okay? Golden baby. Alright, I'll see you later, ma'am.
Are you going? Please.
What is it?
I need some money to take me to the hospital. I also need money to buy food stuff.
Just look at yourself, Millicent. Just look at yourself. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not? When will you stop asking me about money? When? You have suddenly become a liability to me and I don't like it. I don't like it any longer. I regret the day I married you. Am I the only person that has a wife? Am I? If not for this baby, what's this?
Yes? Who are you and who are you looking for? That's your question and you're laughing. Who are you looking for?
Ask him.
I'm asking you again. Is that girl pregnant for you?
And who told you that? Who told you?
Yes, and just answer the question. Is she pregnant for you?
Woman, since you have found out with your witchcraft, yes, she is pregnant for me. And she's due very soon. Are you okay now? I hope you're satisfied. Black witch. Nonsense.
Baby, your baby is not grown.
Honestly.
He's looking very handsome. Baby, how are you?
It's good. Yeah. Mamugo, I actually came here to discuss something with you.
What is it?
See, I'm just thinking, because of the way things are now, what if we start contributing for 5,000 naira every month? Your water. At the end of the year, we would have gotten a substantial amount of money. We can even use the money to buy food stuff. What do you think?
Nne, it's a very good idea. I like it. Hi. In fact, I will tell some of my friends and my customers. I know they will like it too.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Please, let me quickly rush and go and feed my baby. Breast milk no longer holds you. Breast milk is no longer enough. So let me go and cook.
Hey, men and breast, both young and old. Okay, my dear.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, it's a very good idea. Contributing 5,000 At the end of the year, we'll use it to buy food stuff. It's a very good idea. In fact, I will like it. I'll join you. And I'll tell some of my friends.
Okay, let me go to the shower.
Millicent! Millicent! Get up, get up! Millicent! So you did it! You finally did it, eh?
Did what? What are you talking about?
Millicent, how could you? You killed a child. You killed a child just because you hate her. An innocent child. Millicent, how cruel and wicked can you be? How? When will this your wickedness stop, Millicent? When? Must you kill anyone that crosses your path? First, it was my sister Bere. She died during her delivery. As if that wasn't good enough for you. Onyine was sent out of her marriage because of series of miscarriages. Now, Eno lost our child. Millicent, you're wicked!
Your mother killed your sister. Your mother allowed Onyinye to be sent out of her marriage. Because of her, I lost my child. Because of your mother, our marriage is not working. So if there's anybody to be blamed in this situation, it is your mother. Oh, so Eno is her name. Eno. Really? Anyway, I do not have a hand in anything that is happening to her. She's simply paying for putting asunder in her marriage.
Is that so? Is that it, eh? Millicent, I regret the day I got married to you. You black winch. Millicent! Millicent! The war just started. Watch and see. Black winch.
Thank God I started this business. Eh? In 3 months I have saved 300,000. More. Hey! Chineka, he's a war. I think I should just open another account. And then remove the contribution money. But that will be after my next Cotonou trip because... Chai. Let's go to Amaka. Baby, your lunch is served.
My love, come. Come and sit. Come, baby, come. Sit. What did he say?
I've served your lunch.
You made lunch?
Yes.
Wow. You know, your food is always sweet. Just as sweet as you. So, jump into the dining. Baby. Yeah. Ooh.
Hey! Because I know I left that thing in my box.
Hello.
I just hope...
What's up?
Mechono! I just hope it is not what I'm thinking. Hello? Vincent?